What if I told you you could start using insanely powerful AI tools today and they won't cost you a single dime? Seriously, if you're still staring at a blank screen or doing the same tedious tasks day after day, we need to talk. Today, we're diving into the top 5 completely free AI tools every beginner needs right now to totally transform how they operate.
Because let's be real, what if you could start using these tools today completely free? The gatekeepers are gone. You don't need a massive budget and you don't need a special invite code. Everything we're covering in this explainer is available to you right this second for absolutely nothing. It is a massive opportunity to upgrade your workflow, and honestly, you don't want to miss it.
You know, the old way of doing things meant just working harder, grinding away at every single task manually. But here in 2026, the smartest creators out there have totally ditched that outdated method. They aren't just putting their heads down and grinding, they're actually using AI to do the heavy lifting for them. They're building systems.
So, here's our roadmap for today. We're going to cover the 2026 AI advantage, then run through AI writing tools, AI voice generators, AI video creation, AI image generators, and finally wrap up with automation and next steps.
All right, starting off with Section 1, the 2026 AI advantage, working smarter, not harder.
The absolute biggest advantage you can have right now is letting AI literally do the work for you. We're way past just making a tiny task a little bit faster. It's all about setting up an interconnected system that saves you hours every single day. If you aren't plugging into these tools, you're competing against people who have entire armies of free, automated assistants working for them.
Let's jump to Section 2, AI writing tools, instant content creation.
Think of this as the brain of your whole operation. This is where every good idea starts. These tools are built to help you write scripts, generate fresh ideas, and basically create content instantly. Whether you're whipping up YouTube scripts, cranking out blog posts, or just writing catchy captions, AI writing tools give you the text you need to hit the ground running.
So instead of staring at that dreaded blinking cursor for hours, you get results in literally seconds. You instantly bypass writer's block. It's wild. The amount of time you save just in the brainstorming and drafting phase alone is an absolute game changer.
Moving right along to Section 3, AI voice generators. No mic needed.
Okay, so you've got your script from the first tool. Now it needs a voice. In the past, you'd have to buy an expensive microphone, figure out room acoustics, and do a dozen takes. Well, not anymore. With these AI voice generators, you can create fully professional voiceovers with zero equipment. You literally just paste the script you just made, and the AI speaks it out perfectly.
And this is absolute perfect for Face's YouTube channels. If you've ever wanted to run a channel but felt a little self-conscious about recording your own voice, or maybe you just don't have the space for a studio setup, this tool removes that barrier completely. It's like having your own personal voice actor on standby.
Which brings us to Section 4, AI video creation, text to video. Guys, this is where the magic really happens. These AI video generators take your text and turn it into full-blown videos. All you do is feed your text prompts into the system, and it does the heavy lifting, pulling together all the visuals to match your script and your brand new AI voiceover.
And look, if complex video editing timelines freak you out, don't sweat it. You need absolutely zero editing skills here. You can produce long-form YouTube videos, punchy shorts, or engaging reels in a matter of minutes. You get to play the director, not the editor.
Next up is Section 5, AI image generators, instant custom art. Because let's face it, every great video needs a killer thumbnail, and every brand needs a slick logo. With AI image generators, you just type a simple prompt, and the AI conjures up the perfect image for you. We're talking custom thumbnails to drive clicks, professional logos, and endless graphics for your social media posts.
And this isn't just about making things look pretty, it saves you both real time and money. You aren't waiting days for a freelancer to send back revisions, and you definitely aren't paying hundreds of bucks per design. It's like having an on-demand artist living right inside your computer.
Finally, we arrive at Section 6, automation and next steps, building your AI system.
So tool number 5 is AI automation. Think about it. You've written the script, generated the voice, created the video, and designed the thumbnail. Now what? Well, you use automation tools to handle getting it out there. You can completely automate your emails, automate the actual content posting across all your platforms, and handle all those repetitive background tasks that usually drain your energy.
And that highlights a pretty profound shift in how we view work today. You are essentially building a digital worker. That's an interconnected system of AI tools that completely automates your tasks, your writing, and your posting. When you link your writing, voice, video, image, and automation tools together, you aren't just learning some new apps. You've literally hired an automated employee that works around the clock for you. So what's the big takeaway from this explainer? Simple. Don't just sit here, watch this, and do nothing. Step 1. Pick just one tool today to play with. Step 2. Start building your first system by connecting these pieces together. And Step 3. If you really want to master AI and make serious money with it, make sure you subscribe to the Daily Tutor. Taking action is exactly what separates the smartest creators from everyone else.
These 5 tools really can change everything about how you work. This is day 2 of our journey together, and I'll be seeing you in day 3. But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this. If you could hand off your single most annoying, repetitive daily task to an AI tool by tomorrow morning, what incredible things could you achieve with all that extra time you get back? See you next time.